Hello, I am Dr. Lee Hamm, Senior Vice President and Dean of the Tulane University School of Medicine. Thank you for joining the Tulane COVID-19, or coronavirus pandemic, medical update. Coronavirus, also known as COVID-19, has changed our lives. A few weeks ago, this virus was a seemingly distant overseas problem, but now it's a U.S. reality, it's a New Orleans reality, with real-world impact on our community, our healthcare providers, our health systems, and as you are well aware, our daily lives. Given the relatively recent emergence of coronavirus, there are many unknowns about this disease, its transmission, and its treatment. Tulane School of Medicine has a long and distinguished history of being on the forefront of combating emerging diseases in our region. Actually, Tulane started addressing an infectious disease over 150 years ago. Our commitment to and efforts in combating the coronavirus pandemic is no exception, with our mission focused on cutting-edge research, preparing the next generation of clinical and scientific leaders, and healing patients in our community. We will host a weekly update to provide you current information and address your questions. Tulane University is uniquely positioned to combat this challenge in New Orleans, the region, and throughout the world. We have leading physicians and scientific experts at the School of Medicine. We also have experts at the Tulane National Primate Research Center, the School of Public Health, and the School of Science and Engineering. Our recent efforts in treating patients and advancing the science to combat other infectious diseases such as tuberculosis, HIV, Ebola, and Zika here in the U.S. and internationally are well known. Given the negative impact of this current pandemic, both for our community and our most vulnerable, we are embracing this challenge at Tulane and are making headway in many areas.
I'm Patrick Delafontaine, Executive Dean of the School of Medicine. The Tulane COVID-19 Medical Update provides a forum to reach out to our community, share updated information, demystify the science, and engage you in our quest to stop the spread and negative impact of this virus. As we speak, Tulane physicians and healthcare providers are on the front lines taking care of patients in our region who are infected with the coronavirus. Fortunately, we have more than 30 specialists in the areas of adult and pediatric infectious diseases, adult and pediatric pulmonary diseases, and critical care available to treat these patients. Our doctors are already taking care of patients, and you will get to hear directly from them. In addition to the hospitals and clinics that they are working in, they are advising hospitals and clinics throughout the region. Also, Tulane scientists are working around the clock to address not only the current crisis, but the future problems this virus may cause. They are developing novel testing techniques that will identify infected individuals more rapidly to prevent the spread of the disease. They are developing a vaccine to prevent the disease in the future. And they are developing novel treatments for this infection. Please send your questions and comments to medquestions@tulane.edu. We will work with our team of experts to provide regular updates and answers.